Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I want to show you how to make a design on your t-shirt. So guys, before starting, if you are new, subscribe to my channel and stay connected from anywhere in the world. So let's start. Guys, you can see this. I have these images which I have downloaded from Google. I'm giving the link in the description to these images, okay? So from here I'm going into the file, open new file. I'm taking the size here 14 by 17 inches and the resolution is 300, and the background contents color I've taken here this black color. You can take any of the color according to your taste. Hit OK. Guys, this is very important step, okay? Hit OK. So the new document is opening. You can see here after this, guys, you would have this layer style. If you would have this, then cross this. I'm going here. I want this image. You can see. Let me show you. I want this image. I'm taking this move tool and I'm dragging this right here with the help of mouse. Press Ctrl T to transform. Make the image larger by pressing Shift and Alt button together. Like this. Guys, you can see this. I have this right here. Press Enter. I'm taking this eraser tool. I'm taking the size according to my taste, 191. You can take it according to your taste. And you can see here opacity is 100 and the flow is also 100. So I'm erasing this. Guys, you can also remove its background with the help of this pen tool. You can select this front image. But now I'm erasing this with the help of eraser. I had pressed Ctrl plus to zoom out. I had
see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Guys, you can see this background is moved. I'm taking this rectangular tool and I want white rectangle right here. I'm taking the fill to none. This is cross and the stroke is white. This is white. I'm making here a rectangle like this. You can see I'm selecting this layer and I want this right here. Guys, you can see this background is moved. I'm taking this rectangular tool, press enter. I'm removing this extra part with the help of this marquee tool. Press delete button. I'm erasing this extra part also like this. Guys, now I want to write here any text. So simply I'm writing Gaulish, Goulish, Gaulish. And I'm taking its size to, guys, I'm taking this and I'm pressing Ctrl T to transform, and like this I can transform this according to my taste. You can see this like this. I'm transforming this. Press enter. Now with the help of this eraser tool, I'm erasing this part. They're saying that you have to rasterize the layer. So the layer is rasterized. I'm going here and I'm taking the larger size and I'm erasing this. Simply like this. Guys, now on layer 1 I'm making its size somehow smaller. Press enter. I'm erasing this extra part with the help of this marquee tool. Select and delete. From here also I'm selecting and deleting like this. Now guys, I want another bleeding option. I'm dragging this into the Photoshop. I've downloaded this from Google. Now I'm transforming this by pressing Alt and Shift button together. Press enter. Guys, I'm removing its background with the help of magic wand tool. Like this, press delete button. Guys, you have to rasterize this layer first, so I'm rasterizing this layer. Press delete button. You can see this is deleted. And now with the help of marquee tool I'm deleting this extra part because I want just this part right here. Press delete button. Now with the help of this move tool I'm pressing Ctrl T and I'm making its size larger by pressing Shift and Alt button together. I'm making its size smaller like this. Press enter. Now guys, with the help of eraser I'm erasing the part which I don't need. I'm pressing Ctrl plus to zoom out. You can see this like this. I'm erasing this extra part. Guys, now I'm taking this image and with the help of move tool I'm dragging this right here into this document. Press Ctrl T to transform and make the size larger by pressing Shift and Alt button together. Press enter. Guys, now I'm dragging this layer down. Press Alt and make another layer. By pressing Alt you can make its copy like this. Now I want another document right here. I'm dragging this picture here into this image and press Ctrl T to transform. I want this right here. Press enter. Guys, I want to remove its background. So with the help of eraser you can remove its background. Guys, I'm decreasing its opacity to 60. Remove the extra parts. I'm making its size smaller. Guys, now by pressing this, moving these layers, I want to see which part I have to remove anymore. So that I could have this perfect print on my shirt. I'm selecting this layer and move this part simply. Guys, you can see this is perfect for me to print on any of the shirt. So you can see its image size. I'm going into the image and see the image size to see the resolution. It is 300. This is perfect. Hit OK and now go to export and export your PNG file. I'm exporting it on desktop. I'm naming it right here, t-shirt design. Hit OK. Guys, I'm opening the new document from here, and I want this shirt into my Photoshop. See, like this. I'm unlocking the layer, and I have this design. I'm dragging this design right here. I'm simply resizing it. Guys, I'm looking the image size because resolution is not good. I'm pressing 300. Hit OK. It might have improved now. Yes, it is improved. See, I'm removing its background. I'm selecting this shirt and I'm removing its background by pressing here because I don't need it. So guys, you can see this is all for today. This and this is all for today. If you like this video, subscribe and stay connected from anywhere in the world. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. If you like